Which laptop desk for bed is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, LapGear Home Office Pro Lap Desk. First up, we have the LapGear Home Office Pro Lap Desk. At $39.99, this one caught my eye not just for its sleek black carbon design, but also because it's a bestseller with over 10,400 reviews and a solid 4.7-star rating. If you want a reliable and spacious surface for your laptop, this is worth a serious look. So why should this desk be on your radar? It measures 21.1 wide and 14.1 deep, perfectly fitting laptops up to 15.6 inches. This extra space means you can easily fit your mouse and even have room for some snacks. It also features an integrated mouse pad and a phone slot, making video calls or gaming super easy. Plus, the dual bolster microbead cushion not only keeps you comfortable but helps air circulate, preventing your laptop from overheating during long sessions. Some users have mentioned that the weight might be a bit much for them at 2.8 pounds. But here's the thing, consider how sturdy it feels compared to lighter options. It's a little heavier, but that often translates to better durability. This is perfect for you if you're someone who needs a comfortable, multifunctional workspace in bed or on the couch. Skip this one if you prefer something ultra lightweight. Now, if the weight of the LapGear desk bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, LapGear Home Office Lap Desk. Next up is another gem from LapGear, the Home Office Lap Desk in a cute blush pink for just $34.99. With over 50,000 reviews and a 4.7-star rating, it's hard to ignore. If you want a cute yet functional desk, this is definitely worth considering. The built-in mouse pad and device ledge are real highlights here. The device ledge helps keep your laptop from sliding off, which is a pretty nice safety feature. The dual bolster cushion is designed for airflow, meaning you can work for longer without feeling too hot. Plus, it's super portable at just 2.14 pounds, so you can easily move it around your home. But I did notice some complaints about the color fading over time. Now, some people might find that a deal breaker, but honestly, if you're using it in a casual setting, it shouldn't matter much. This is ideal for you if you like to work or study in style without sacrificing comfort. Skip this if you're looking for something more traditional and less colorful. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for keeping your laptop cool. Product number 3, Amazon Basics Ergonomic Laptop Stand. Coming in at a budget-friendly price of $20.99, the Amazon Basics Ergonomic Laptop Stand is up next. It's rated 4.6 stars with over 3,200 reviews, making it a popular choice. If you're after a simple, adjustable design that'll help with posture, give this a look. It supports laptops from 10 to 15.6 inches and is made from lightweight, rust-resistant aluminum, which means it's both sturdy and portable. The open design promotes airflow, so your laptop won't overheat, which is super important for performance. However, some users have pointed out that it's not as stable with heavier laptops. Here's the thing though, if you're using a standard laptop, you should be just fine. It's really about choosing the right device for this stand. This is perfect for you if you need something adjustable and portable for better ergonomics. Skip this if you have a heavier laptop that you need to stabilize. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more versatile, let's check out our next product. Product number 4, Fibigalo Bamboo Bed Tray Table. Next, we have a more traditional option, the Fibigalo Bamboo Bed Tray Table, priced at just $19.98. With a 4.4-star rating from over 800 reviews, it's a great choice for those who prefer a natural look. If you want something that doubles as a serving tray and a laptop table, this one is worth a look. Made from natural bamboo, this tray is both durable and eco-friendly. The dimensions are 15.75 by 11.81, providing ample space for breakfast in bed or working on your laptop. The foldable legs make it easy to store, and the guardrail design prevents spills while you're munching on snacks or working. This means you can enjoy your meals without worrying about messes. However, some folks mention the lack of a solid surface for heavy laptops. Now, while it's great for lighter devices, if you're using a full-sized laptop, it might wobble a bit. But for light tasks like reading or browsing, it's fantastic. This is ideal if you want a multifunctional tray that can serve as a laptop desk and dining tray. Skip this if you need something specifically designed for heavier work tasks. Alright, that's a unique option. But what if you want something that can really hold drinks and devices while you work? Let's move on to our final product. Product number 5, BUYIFY Foldable Laptop Bed Desk. Last on our list is the BUYIFY Foldable Laptop Bed Desk, priced at $35. This one has a 4.5-star rating with over 1,100 reviews. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that includes a cup holder, this might just be the perfect fit. The built-in cup holder is a real game changer, allowing you to sip your coffee while you work. The foldable design makes it easy to store away when not in use, and it's lightweight, so moving it around the house is a breeze. Plus, it's versatile enough for eating, studying, or even watching movies. Talk about multitasking. One downside some users reported is the height may not be adjustable. For taller folks, this might be a bit of a stretch. But honestly, if you're using it on a bed or couch, you can adjust your positioning to find what works best for you. This is perfect for you if you need a versatile and functional desk that can handle multiple activities. Skip this if you specifically need height adjustment for ergonomic use. Now that we've covered all 5 options, let's wrap up with a quick comparison of what we've seen. So to quickly recap, the LapGear Home Office Pro Lap Desk is great for spacious comfort, while the LapGear Home Office Lap Desk adds a splash of color. The Amazon Basics stand offers an ergonomic boost, and the Fibigalo bamboo tray is perfect for those who appreciate natural materials. Finally, the BUYIFY foldable desk combines versatility with convenience. Each of these desks has its strengths, so think about what fits your needs best. Happy working!